Hi guys, it's Jen here, and today I'll take you through a step-by-step Google Slides tutorial for beginners. A few things that are great about Google Slides as well as other Google applications are that it's free to use, slides automatically save, real-time collaboration is really beneficial, and it's also very easy to embed files. So to get started, I'm already logged into my account and I'm going to search for slides.google.com. And just remember that you can do this another way. You can navigate to the waffle at the top right hand corner and you can look for slides that way as well. So first of all, what you will want to do is either pick blank or you're going to want to have a look through the templates. So just for a second, let's have a look at the template gallery. Here we go, so we've got loads of different ones here. We've got pitch, status report, professional profile, general presentation, wedding, party invite. We've got lots in there. But for today, I am just going to click on blank. So from here, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a title for your presentation. So you're going to come up here to the left hand side in the corner, and I'm just going to type Google Slides Google Slides tutorial. There we go. So next, as you can see, we've got different themes down the right hand side here, which is pretty cool. So you can actually just select one of these themes instead of having to kind of think about it for yourself. Wow, there's a lot there. So I'm going to pick one of them. I'm going to pick this one here. So to start off, I'm going to write that title in here again. So I'm going to type Google Slides tutorial. And in here, I'm just going to write by Jennifer Ash. So now let's look at the formatting options. So to change any of the formatting of some text that you've written, you can just click and drag over the text. And then as you can see up here, we've got different fonts. So I normally like Oswald, so I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it's changed the font there. And then I'm also going to increase the font size. So I'm going to make it considerably bigger. I'm going to make it 58. And then I'm also going to click on bold as well. And as you can see, you can actually change underlining as well, or you can change the colour of it. But for now, I am going to just leave the colour as the dark blue because it matches the colour at the bottom. But I will just point out, if you did want to change the colour, you can also do that as well. So next up, I'll just quickly format the different options here as well. I'm going to put that in Oswald 2, and then I am going to make that to a font size of 20 there. So next up, what I will show you is I'm going to show you how you can add another slide. So to do that, you'll come up to this plus sign here at the top left hand corner and you will click new slide. If you wanted to, you could change the slide layout so that you could pick a different one. But for now, I am just going to keep that the same. So what I'm going to show you is how to add your own text box. So I'm just deleting that one there. And to delete that, I just clicked on the text box and I pressed the backspace and it automatically deleted it. So to add a new text box, you're coming up to Insert and you're going to click on Text Box. Now you're going to click and drag to make it the size that you would like it to be. So I'm making mine pretty big and it's going to be about that size there. So now you can start typing in here. You can type all the text that you might want to have in that text box. And next I'm going to show you a really cool feature, which is that you can add a link to that text. So for example, if I wanted to have a section that said click here, maybe it's to view a video or to go onto another web page, then you're going to click and drag over that text. You're then going to come up here to insert link. And you can either paste in the URL of whatever you want that to link to, or you can link it to a different slide on your presentation. So you could link it to here if you want. And as you can see, it's come up underlined and in a different colour to make it really clear to people that that is a link there that they can click on. Next up, I am going to show you how to insert pictures and videos as well. So again, we're going to make a new slide, and this time I'm going to click on title and 2 columns. But for now, I'm going to delete this text box and delete this text box too by backspacing it. And now we go up to insert, and this time let's go to image. So as you can see, there's different options to upload from a computer, search the web, drive, photos, URL, camera. But for now, we are going to click on upload. Actually, no, we're going to click on search the web. So I'm going to search for VR headsets. VR headsets Tablet Academy. I'm not sure if it'll come up, but we'll have a look. Let's just try VR headsets. There we go. So I'm going to click on this image here and I'm going to insert it. And as you can see, it's inserted as a pretty big image. So what I'm going to do now is you can click on any of the corners or the sides as well if you wanted to make it a kind of thinner picture. But for now, I'm going to click on the corner and I'm going to just resize it like this. And as you can see there, it came up with a little red line, and that's basically to show you a suggestion of where they think that you should resize the image to. So we've got our image in, which is great. Next up, we are going to look at adding a video. So to add a video, again, you're going to come up to insert, and this time you're going to click on video. So you can see you can do this by putting in a URL or having a look at your Google Drive. But for now, I'm just going to search for one on YouTube. So I'm going to search for VR headsets Tablet Academy and see if it works maybe for a YouTube video. Perfect. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to select it. And again, yep, it's came in quite large as a video. So I'm going to just resize that and move it down. There we go. And you can see that that's putting it in the middle there with that red line. So I'm going to leave it there. Perfect. So we've now got our image and our video in there. Next up, I'm going to add another slide. And to finish off, I am going to show you how you can add in different types of charts into your presentation. So to do this, you will go up to insert again. And this time you will click on chart. So I am going to put a bar chart in first, so you'll click insert the bar chart, and if you want to change all of the information in this bar chart, all you would have to do is click open source and you could change all of the information on the Google Sheets that would open up. For now, I'm going to resize it and I'm going to pop it here, and then I'm going to add in a different type of chart this time, and I'm going to add in a pie chart. So again, it's inserting the chart, and again, if you wanted to, you would change the information from open source, and I am just going to resize this chart so that it's around this size. So now we've got two different charts in there. There's a lot more that you could insert if you wanted to. You've got diagrams, lines, shapes, word art. We've also got some different formatting options up here, and we've got our tools as well. But that is pretty much everything that I'm going to cover in the from the basic features for Google Slides, and I really hope that you find this tutorial helpful.